Machiegni duond bura mar ODM bade ma Nairobi County oko sirkal mondo omaki kendo donjone jogo mabende ne okwalo kendo ketho mwandu jopiny e kinde ng'anyo mabende nobagi pacho kae mano mar paro sabasaba. E romo mar jotelo mag duond bura no kotelnegi kod jokombe mag duond bura no e bade ma Nairobi, Joja Ladwa kod Ochieng Jera giwacho ni sirkal onego tim nonro kendo kawo okang' machik ne jogo mabende tudo kod tim makamano.
Based government and agree on the way forward. After lengthy and candid deliberations, the meeting resolves as follows: that the party strongly condemns the act of lawlessness and recent witnessed in the city that led to massive looting and destruction of business, public institutions, injuries to innocent citizens and loss of lives in some cases. That even as the government takes action on security officers seem to have overreacted and brutalized citizens in the bid to retain the rioters, a probe must equally be conducted to identify, apprehend and punish the people behind the looting and raping that happened during the protests. 3. The party commends all the members and indeed all the city residents who chose peace and kept off the protest. It is our stand that what we witnessed were not a commemoration of Sabasaba, but an attempt by section of leaders to hide behind Sabasaba to settle political scores with President William Ruto. 4. That as ODM leadership in Nairobi, we recommit to support the broad-based government and President William Ruto under the framework of Memorandum of Understanding between himself